Hello everyone, my name is Ali Asgar. In this video we will discuss about empty set, null set or void set. These three names of this set. Okay, actually we know that a set is collection of well-defined objects, but in empty set there is not any collection. We don't see any collection here. Empty set has no member. Why we say it's set? Okay, so let's explain in this video why empty set is a set and what are main property of this set. Okay, let's discuss that. Empty set is what? Everyone knows that a set which has no element, a set which has no element or no member, okay, that is known as empty set. This is one definition. Another definition which is main definition of this set, empty set is a set which does not satisfy collection. Okay, let's see, a set which does not satisfy collection means there is a collection, there is a hidden collection, but that's not satisfied, which does not satisfy the collection. Okay, for example, set of alive people whose age is greater than 200 years or whose age is 200 years. Is there any person whose age is 200 years? He is alive? No. The set of even numbers which are also odd. Is there any number which is even as well as odd? No, there is not any number. These are collections, but there is no member. Okay, let's learn some more example. Okay, example, set of even numbers which are also odd. Okay, thus the empty set is denoted by this symbol phi, or we can denote it by these two brackets. Okay, so it's null set. Okay, example 2, the set of alive people with age 200 years. Okay, is there any person whose age is 200% and he is alive? No, there is not anyone. Okay, and set of months of year with 33 days. Is there any month in a year which has 33 days? No, definitely not. There is collection of 12 months, but it is not satisfied. Okay, means no member satisfy the collection, so it's empty set. Set of months of year with 33 days. Okay, now we are discussing one example which is purely related to mathematics. Is any real number which satisfies this equation? Any real number satisfies this equation? Means we put value for x and we get 0. No, there is not any real number which satisfies this equation. Real number, so it is empty set which satisfies this equation. Okay, no real number, so which will satisfy this equation, there is only one number, iota, that will satisfy this equation. Iota square minus 1 and 1, that will be 0. Okay, so that's a complex number. Okay, now let's discuss properties of empty set or null set or void set. Properties of null set or empty set. What are its property? Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is subset of every set. Okay, another property, when you find the complement of empty set, you will get same universal set, and when you find the complement of universal set, you will get empty set. Another property, when you find the union of empty set with any set A, you will always get same set. A means there will be no difference on that set.